Good morning, teacher. This day I have an opportunity to talk about the quality and the poor. It's very interesting this topic because talk about the position about society, democracy, and different points. But the lesson is the different situation occurring in different times, the medieval and actualist time. In the medieval, the citizens don't have wars, they don't have democracy because the queen and the king and the church are all power. And they have everything. He decides the name of the somethings or decides the constructions or what is necessary to do in the country or the state or city. It only benefits for them. Or in here, the difference, the people created the societies, the democracies, and the symbols opportunity everybody. Sometimes they have that discrimination for the gender, but now how change that because created the derecho nouns of humans. Uh, Here you can see that discriminate for the power with the rich, the poor, and that discriminate the gender. The woman is the service for the men and the people. Uh, they get the same salary as the men. He's get uh, uh, get get less of the men. Another is the people have opportunity to graduate, and he or she works in different uh, opportunities to work. Maybe overs or maybe albañiles or electric. But now they change that, and actually I have a little presentation express my ideas. Uh, People all the time when they have the power or have the money consider very worse of another person. That is bad because all buying is need to another person, and you can give and respect that person. Means here in the video you can see that people uh, to page one of the $1 and another 77. One of them is the man cleaning the shoes and another the one woman cleaning the shoes. It depends what the people select to pay the dollar or 77. But some ones recognize and pay the woman $1. They give it complete the money. but others uh, change to idea. I prefer for I have money. I prefer pay all to pay more on the course is in the quality